Hi, to change text font size on Google Pixel Watch Free, we need to start by pressing the crown to open the list of apps. Here, just go through the list and find Settings. And after that, we need to rotate this crown to also go through the list and find Display tab. And in Display tab, we can actually find text size. So tap it, and we can adjust it by tapping minus to make it smaller, like that, or by tapping plus to increase text size and make it bigger like this. So this is large option, this one is medium, this is default, this is small. And the last one, let's tap till the end. This is the largest option. So also you can make your text more visible if you enable bold text option. So this is just default, and this one with enabled bold text. As you can see, text got a little bit more visible. If you can see that switcher is yellow, then bold text is on. To disable, just tap on it so it will be gray. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.